Let's say, would you please stand at attention and put your eyes on the flag?
And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hello, Sea Lion family. It's so good to see you today. We have a huge episode of the Sea Lion Splash, including a student spotlight, a recap of both skate night and walk or ride your bike to school day, and then finally, we're going to recap some of the upcoming events this week. Check it out.
Make it a great day, McGaw. See ya.
Welcome to skate night. Come on in.
Last Monday, we got to support Project Seek by going to skate night. So many Sea Lions and their families showed up, and we had a great time rolling around that roller rink and just supporting each other, helping each other up, and really having fun. Thanks so much to all the volunteers that put this on. It was a great event.
This is how we roll. Have fun, be safe.
Who demonstrates patience, kindness, and understanding toward all fellow sea lions all the time? You guessed it, Liam. Thank you, Liam, for making Room 19 a great place to learn and to grow. Congratulations! Way to go!
Last Wednesday was an awesome event called Walk or Ride Your Bike to School Day. I was fortunate enough to meet up with some family members as well as some of the officers from the Seal Beach Police Department to walk from Heron Point. Check it out. In this week's Student Spotlight, we're proud to feature fourth grader Oliver Rojas and his awesome accomplishment. Take it away, Oliver.
Hi, my name is Oliver Rojas, a fourth grader in Miss Duncan's class. This summer I got to play shortstop in the Pony League World Series in Modesto, California. We beat teams from Mexico, Texas, and all over California. To get this medal, it took hard work, dedication, and help from my parents. Thanks everyone for cheering me on.
This Monday kicks off conferences. That means we're going to have early dismissal on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And we will also be sharing some feedback with your family so that we can all get better as we get closer to the report card period. I hope that you can get some great tips and advice to help you become better each day. Bullying is never allowed on campus, but this Wednesday, we're all going to wear orange in support of Unity Day. This is where we are going to make an attempt to choose kindness, inclusion, and acceptance over anything else. So, Sea Lions, I want to see you wearing orange, if you can, starting Wednesday. The McGaw PTA is super excited to announce that Carnival is going to be this Saturday. So, if you are interested in supporting, make sure you head over to your teacher's door and sign up for a booth or some other volunteer opportunity. I also hope that all of you are there to enjoy the music, all the great games, and fun at what's going to be my first carnival. Enjoy! And our last announcement of the week, the 20th of October is going to be something called the Great California Shakeout. And this is where the entire state practices evacuation drills in case of an earthquake. So make sure you're listening to your teacher and doing everything they tell you to do so that we can move from our classroom to the safety zone quickly, efficiently, and also responsibly. Thanks so much, students. There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.